Today I'll show you how to save your Instagram Reel drafts directly to your device's gallery. First, open up the Instagram app on your mobile device. Tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner to access your profile. Now tap on the plus icon to create a reel. Here I am creating a reel. After you finish creating a reel, to save the video to your phone gallery, tap the download icon. Now the video will be saved to your phone's gallery. Now continue further by clicking on the next icon. After you click on next, there will be save draft option available in the below. Please click on it, and here is how you save your draft and download it. You have successfully saved your Instagram draft to your device's gallery. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.